All right, folks. So yesterday, I wasn't able to upload a video because I had some crazy technical difficulties here with my internet. I finally got it all resolved near the end of the day and had other things to do. So today I'm going to be releasing both the day 6 video and the day 7 video. I did do some AI coding with games yesterday, so technically I haven't broken my 100-day streak here, but I just wasn't able to make a video for it. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go right into agent mode. Let me go ahead and blow this up a little bit, or a lot. And we're going to use GPT 4.1. And let's go ahead and just say, make us a Breakout clone in JavaScript. And let's see what happens. Yesterday when I was trying to do this, it kept saying that it was losing internet connection. And it turned out I had a firmware update that messed up everything. So I had to do a restore and all sorts of fun stuff. That wasn't very fun, but let's see, so far this is looking good. Good. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Whoops, sorry. And boom. Hey, that looks pretty nice. Let me go ahead and try playing it here. Nice. So I had done a Breakout clone yesterday, again, before everything kind of exploded. And this one actually looks much nicer than the one that it created yesterday, which is funny. Good. So we have a score, we have controls. There's the ball, there's the paddle, there's the bricks. There's lives. So that's good. Some other things we could implement here would be like a leaderboard, kind of like what we did with rock, paper, scissors. And what else could we do? We could do peer-to-peer co-op in real time with WebRTC. That would be interesting. Let's go ahead and ask it to improve this slightly by adding a leaderboard. Actually, let's do the thing we did the other day with one of our other projects where we say, what sort of improvements do you suggest? So visual enhancements, gameplay features, add power-ups, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, I've seen that sometimes in Breakout games. Add a start game, game over screens, make the game response for different sizes, blah, blah, blah. Code quality, we're not going to worry about much for this. Let's go with, go ahead and implement some visual enhancements. Let's see what it does. That should be about it. Yep. So now I should be able to just refresh it. Oh, I like it. Only thing I don't like, so the only thing I'd like to see a little bit fancier is the text in the upper left for score, as well as the lives counter. I don't think we need to actually see the word score, right? You get a gist after playing it. You'd see this number going up and you'd be like, oh, okay, like winning. Also, actually, now that I think about it, does a score even count? Like the even make sense necessarily, because what you're trying to do is clear the board, right? I mean, I guess you could keep a score, because you do the same thing with like Space Invaders, right? Where your Space Invaders is essentially kind of a similar game to Breakout. Okay, so we'll keep the score thing up there, but maybe get rid of the word score. Word score, and just show the number with prettier text than is current. It's just prettier text. For the lives counter, how about we just have 3 balls up in the right corner to start, and the number of balls decrements each time a player loses a life. Let's see if it understands what I'm trying to say. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Refresh. Okay, that's better. That's along the lines of what I wanted to do, but now the layout is a little off. What could we do? I mean, I kind of don't mind it like that, actually. So here's some things, right? I'm going to cut this one off pretty much here. But here's some improvements that we'll keep in mind for the next time that we work on this game outside of the 100 Days of Coding series. We could adjust the layout a bit so that the point counter and the lives don't bleed over into the bricks. We can do some of the suggestions that it, some of the improvements that it suggested earlier, which would be improving, having like a start game screen, a game over screen, as opposed to these pop-ups. And then I also mentioned, right, having like a 2-player co-op where you'd have 2 people remote in real time, controlling their own paddles and trying to get through the levels together. And then also a leaderboard would be a good idea. So those are some thoughts I have for this game for next time. I'm about to go ahead and make video 7 here. And for that one, let's see, we did Breakout here. What could we do next? We could just do the traditional Pong game. All right. I'm going to keep all these changes. I'm going to go ahead and make a GitHub repo here like I did for the first 2. I still have to do it for some of the other ones. And yeah, get this all set up over there, and eventually include the GitHub link in the description of this video. But until next time, hope you're all doing well, and happy coding.